Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Chucky Crazy in Love by Glamlite palette that came out like a month and a half ago. I ordered this on launch date and it did take a while to get here, and then I was sick. So we're going to play in it today. So if you would like to see the palette, see what I create and my thoughts, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do tutorials, techniques, reviews, unboxings, skincare, hair care, hair tools, all that good stuff. So if that is something that you are interested in, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. Let's get into this palette. So I hope everybody has been doing well. I have been dying to jump into this palette but unable for a while, so I'm trying to get back here and do some boxes were misplaced because I wasn't putting everything. Oh wow, this is so pretty. See? Ooh, how cool. So, Crazy in Love. Oh, yes. These are the dark, grungy tones that I need. Oh, that's so pretty. I did my hair. I got a shower, did my hair, and I swear, every time I do my hair, I sweat. And then it just falls. It was looking great. Anywho, we're going to go in with the Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair. This is my ride or die. I can't live without it. For mature eyes, it is a must. And then I'm going to take this brush and just stamp it out. Work it into the eyelid. Let's do some swatches of this palette. This palette does not feel like the same formula that Glamlite puts out. I have swatched many a Glamlite palettes and this just don't feel like it. Alright, here is the palette. Go wash off my swatches and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to go in with this green, the Good Guys color. That one. And then we're just going to take the Rose and Ben E29 and blend the top. Then I'm going to go in with my Rose and Ben E28 and I'm going to go into PayPal's. That one. I'm going to switch to a smaller brush. I'm going to pick up my Refer 14. Just dipping in just a little. And we're going to get up in the eye socket. Then I'm going to go back in with my Rose and Ben E28. See how that just lays right there in your socket? It's the best eye brush. That kind of just blended into that color. To take this Refer 15, and I'm going to just dip the bottom into the color, and we're going to go right here. Bring that up just a little bit. I think that looks really, really good. So I picked up Chucky and Tiff Forever, this one, and I just tapped it right here between this color and nothing, the middle, just to get a little shimmer on there. This palette I don't want that light silver. I think I'm gonna go in my Natasha Denona palette and get this color, the inner corner one. It's kind of like a champagne color, I guess. Sorry guys, my granddaughter called. This is the eye look. I'm not finished. I'm going to go put on eyeliner, maybe lashes, and then I'll be back to give you my thoughts on this palette. Okay guys, I finished the look. Sorry, my granddaughter called and I was in the middle of doing something over here. So I went in as my crease shade with this color. Then I went in with this color. One pinch of that color, and then I went in with this shimmer, and then I went in with the shimmer I showed you right here in the inner corner. And I did take that over all the way to the inner corner, but I didn't like it, so I put that shimmer, that gray shimmer, back over it. But this is the look that I came up with. I did put on the Natasha Denona black work as you go liner, and it's like a gel liner, but you can work with it. So I blended it out over the waterline some, the upper waterline. I went in with the Tarte Lights Camera Action mascara. I didn't do lashes. Benefit is my highlight, and Cookie, and that's it. And the lip is Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice lip liner with Kimchi Doll as the middle, and then a little bit of Kiss Assist lip plumper on the top. And that is the look. So guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Let me know if you picked up the Glamlite Chucky collaboration. I really wanted to love this palette, but I feel like the formula does not feel like the regular Glamlite formula when you swatch it. It just didn't feel right. Maybe I'll swatch it again. Maybe I'll swatch it again soon and play in it again, but these are perfect colors for Halloween and around the end of the year, and I always love a good burgundy. Need those kinds of shades when you love burgundies. I'm gonna have to use it again, but I want to get out one of my Glamlite palettes and swatch the formula and swatch this. That's gonna tell me the truth. But I just didn't feel like digging out palettes today. I just wanted to do a look. Okay guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Let me know what you thought of this palette if you bought it. I don't want to give my thoughts on this palette just yet because I want to play in it again. The formula just didn't feel like Glamlite's formula, the original formula. It felt kind of hard and dry, but I want to swatch another palette. It did perform okay on the eyes. As you know, swatching doesn't do, that kills me right there. Swatching does not tell you how good a palette is. The swatches look dry and they felt dry and they didn't swatch like a regular Glamlite shadow. But we will visit this again on another day. If you like the look that I created, let me know. Let me know if you bought the palette. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe, ring the bell, and turn on post notifications. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.